Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys all doing today? Or if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to stay connected to me. So I just wanted to first off start off by saying Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers around the world or soon to be mothers. Actually today's Saturday, so I lied. Tomorrow is officially Mother's Day. I just finished celebrating a small intermediate barbecue Mother's Day at my mom's place, and I just got home and it is the time of the week where I'm trying to clean up all my makeup brushes and prepare my brushes for my busy week next week. So these are all my little makeup brushes. I don't have many and I know a lot of girls have like crazy different types and kinds of brushes. So today I want to share with you guys how I clean my brushes, what do I use, and how do I dry my makeup brushes. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, please keep watching. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Let's get started. You guys have probably seen this many times on YouTube and online, but I used to use this to clean my makeup brushes and my beauty blender. It's kind of gross right now, but recently I have switched over to using this brand. Alright guys, start off by preparing some lukewarm water from the tap and then damping your brushes with some water. I think I got this from Marshall's, but Real Techniques have a very similar tool to clean your makeup brushes. It has a bunch of tiny little bristles and little different textures on here to clean your makeup brushes. Next, grab your soap. Here I'm using a facial cleanser from the company called Philosophy. It is called Made Simple Cleanser, and I'm only using a few drops here and using the side-to-side motion. I don't usually twirl it into circles, but I mean, everyone's different. You just basically want to try your best to be as gentle as you can so that you don't ruin the bristles. Then I'm going to hang up my wet makeup brushes upside down just like this. Here I'm just demonstrating another technique I usually use on my smaller makeup brushes. So I just grab a little bit of soap, some water, and 2 to 3 brushes at a time, and I just use that side-to-side motion and clean up my makeup brushes until the soap and water looks clear. Don't forget to make sure that the water is clean and clear before you hang up your makeup brushes. And sometimes I like to twist and turn and just kind of brush with my fingers very gently while the makeup brushes are wet to form its shape. So guys, that's how you clean up all your makeup brushes. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, just so I know how you guys feel about these videos. And thank you guys so much for staying to the end. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below for me, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!